Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jasmine here with a vlog for you guys. I'm going to my second appointment for my eyebrows to get microbladed. They look pretty jacked up right now. I haven't tweezed them or arched them in about a month. So I know that my esthetician, she's gonna hook me up and she's gonna get my eyebrows looking great again. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join Jazzy Fam. It's lit over here. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys with me and hopefully my esthetician can explain to you guys what we're gonna be doing today. Right now, she's outlining my brows to make sure she gets the shape right. And she is very precise, guys. That's what I really love about her. Alright guys, so we've cleaned up the brows already, and then we applied the numbing cream. And then how long are we gonna leave this on? How long do we leave this on? 15 minutes. And I like the beginning. I like exactly how it is in the beginning, so you don't really have to touch that part. I love them in the front. So at this point, guys, I can't feel anything. It's completely numb. I hear the noise, but I don't feel anything, so. She knows that I love my eyebrows to look super natural in the front, so she's going in and giving me those natural hair strokes. It looks so real in person. My esthetician is pretty particular, and she likes things to be perfect, which I don't mind because they are my eyebrows. It is a tattoo, and it's going to be on my face for the next year or so. So it's pretty important that everything looks perfect. I will be completely honest with you guys. By this point, the numbing ointment had completely worn off, and I could literally feel everything that was going on. I do have tattoos, so it wasn't completely terrifying for me. But if you don't have tattoos, you know, this is something you should probably prepare yourself for.
We're good.
We're done. So pretty. It's the finished product, guys. It looks so beautiful. If you're wondering if you should get your eyebrows microbladed, you definitely should. Like, hands down. Look how beautiful. Oh, they're so pretty, y'all. Like, I'm so happy. My esthetician, she doesn't talk that much. She gave me a lot of instructions. I'll be posting the post instructions after this. You guys will see it. And I mean, if you have any questions, just put it down below in the comments, and then I'll get back to you guys. However, I'm not a licensed esthetician. I'm only telling you what my esthetician told me. So there's that. Okay, 2 days white.
Yes.
And then
Today, tomorrow.
today and tomorrow, no water though.
No water.
No water.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
After maybe 5 days,
Mm-hmm.
you need to go with water.
Okay. I can put
After
water.
your eyebrows healed,
Mm-hmm.
you want water, you want dream, you want poo, everything.
It's fine.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Thank you. Getting your eyebrows microbladed is like the best thing. You're gonna spend so much less time doing your makeup in the morning, trying to get the right brow, trying to carve them out right. It's no need for that, sis. Go get your eyebrows microbladed. Jazzy approved. They're beautiful. All you have to do is maintain, obviously, the hairs around them, but other than that, you have no worries. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in my next vlog. Peace.